We're going to remove and replace a face frame. First, just take a mallet and knock the front face frame off of the carcass. Once you've got the carcass and the face frame removed, you'll remove all existing corrugators. Once the corrugated staples are out, go ahead and make sure the surface is clean. And then you'll fit the new face frame onto the carcass. Make sure it's fully seated all the way around. Apply clamps to keep it in place. And then you'll take the corrugated stapler, put it in behind the face frame and to the carcass at a 45-degree angle, and apply corrugated staples up and down both sides. And then on the top and bottom, you'll apply one corrugated staple or more if it's a bigger cabinet to the back side of the face frame on the top and the bottom, again at a 45-degree angle. And that's all it takes to replace a face frame.